Hey everyone, my name is Anthony House. I'm a software engineer and I'm looking to actually start a couple of videos on some projects that I'm creating here at my house. And typically it's in a siloed fashion, so I'll create little inventions around the house and I won't typically share it with anyone, so I thought that would be really cool to kind of change things up and share it with some of the world. One of the next projects I'm going to be working on is kind of a smart watering system for outdoors to water all of my plants. Kind of as the start of the project, I went to Lowe's, picked up a couple of things that I needed. So these are about 100 feet of irrigation hoses, and they'll be connected to some raindrop systems that basically these things are going to sprinkle water outside and water our plants. And then all of this is going to be controlled by a custom-built C program running on a Raspberry Pi Pico or either a Raspberry Pi. And the C program is actually going to manage a solenoid valve that will automatically turn on and off based on a current time or temperature outside. And then I'll share all of that code in the video descriptions as it's being created. So we kind of go through a step-by-step process of how to actually automatically water our flowers, and by the time of this I really hope to be done within the next 2 weeks, because we're going to be going on vacation and I don't want to have to hire somebody to actually come out and water our flowers. So I hope to have you guys follow along. Please show your support by either liking this video or sharing it. That'd be awesome, and I hope to see you guys follow along on this path as we create it over the next 2 weeks. Thanks. Bye.